We have close to 10,000 Christmas trees. 10 different kinds of trees. My name is Dick Volkmann. I'm part owner of this beautiful Christmas tree farm.
A tree from seed, it takes them about 10 years to get to that perfect height. We're always learning. There's always something more to know, more to learn, stuff like that. New pests, new bugs, new trees. My name is Glenn Volkmann, and this is 10 steps to making a Christmas tree. So step 1 is to order seedling or seed. That way we have enough stock for the next year.
Step 2 is planting and potting of seedlings. Step 3 is fertilizing of the trees and the potted seedlings.
So what we do is we grab our John Deere tractor, put the wagon on the back, and then we head out into the farm, and then we, individually fertilize the trees.
Step 4 is spraying of the trees and also spraying Roundup on the grounds.
PrairieCoast actually did a great job with one of our tractors. We were having a problem with the sprayer and it wasn't working properly. There was an electrical problem. So they actually sent out a mechanic and he came over and looked at it. And he figured out what the problem is, and now we can use the sprayer. It works really good. So PrairieCoast did a great job that way.
Step 5 is pruning. Step 6 is making sure that our leaders are straight. Step 7, we choose which trees to sell. Step 8, prepping for tree sales. We have to get the trees ready, we get our saws ready, our John Deere tractor ready, put the wagons on them, make sure they're properly oiled and gassed and stuff like that. Step 9, that's when we sell our trees.
Once people have picked their tree, they can either cut it themselves down with some hand saws, or we can cut it down with our chainsaws. We drive out and we'll actually pick the tree up, put it in the back of the wagon and bring it down to the landing station where we shake the tree and then we bale it and everything. And then people can come back and they can pay for the tree, and at the same time they can have hot chocolate and cookies and have a great time actually. A lot of people love the fact that they can come out to the farm. It's a fun adventure.
Step 10, we're finally closed after holiday season, and thank you very much, and happy holidays to you.